Hi there, today I'm going to talk about still anymore yet already. We use still to say that the situation or action is continuing. It hasn't changed or stopped. It's 10 o'clock and Joe is still in bed. When I went to bed, Chris was still working. Do you still want to go away or have you changed your mind? Still also means in spite of this. For example, he has everything he needs, but he's still unhappy. The meaning of spite of this is a pesar de eso. Still usually goes in the middle of the sentence with a verb. For example, we use not anymore or not any longer to say that situation has changed. For example, anymore and any longer go at the end of the sentence. Lucy doesn't work here anymore. She left last month. Or Lucy doesn't work here any longer. Ya no trabaja más. We used to be good friends, but we aren't anymore, or we aren't any longer. We can write any more two words or any more one word. You can also use no longer. No longer goes in the middle of the sentence. Lucy no longer works here. We do not normally use no more in this way. We are no longer friends. Compare still and not anymore. Sally still works here, but Lucy doesn't work here anymore. Sally todavía trabaja ahí, pero Lucy ya no trabaja más. Yet it's the same until now. Show that the speaker expects something to happen. Yet usually go at the end of the sentence. Usually, not always. Remember this. It's 10 o'clock and Joy isn't here yet. Have you decided what to do yet? The meaning of yet is todavía. Where are you going on holiday? We don't know yet. We do not yet. We often use yet with the present perfect. Have you decided yet? Compare yet and still. Michael lost his job 6 months ago, and is still unemployed. Michael lost his job 6 months ago and hasn't found another job yet. Is it still raining? Has it stopped raining yet? Still is also possibly negative sentence before she said she would be here an hour ago, and she still hasn't come. Todavía no ha venido. This is similar to she hasn't come yet, but still not shows a stronger feeling of surprise or impatience. Compare. I sent him an invitation last week. He hasn't replied yet, but I expect he will reply soon. I sent him an invitation weeks ago, and he still hasn't replied. He should have replied before now. We use already to say that something happened sooner than expected. The meaning of still, yet is the same, todavía. However, the use is different. Still, if something is happening, yet express negative meaning, and most of the time goes at the end of the sentence. Let's see now already. We use already to say that something happened sooner than expected. The meaning is, yeah. What time is Sue leaving? Sue has already left. Ella ya se ha ido. Sooner than you expected. Shall I tell Joe what happened? Or does he already know? O él ya sabe? I just had a lunch. I'm already hungry. Already usually goes in the middle of the sentence or at the end. For example, she's already left or she left already. And that's it for today. See you later.